Hello, this mini lesson has been created by your librarians, Mrs. Samsky and Mrs. Cole for Warwick High School. In this lesson, we will review the database GALE PowerSearch. What you need to do is start at the Warwick High School homepage. Then you're going to click Library. After that, you need to also note that if you're using a Newport News Public School database at home or outside of school, you would need access information. So the information is on the right-hand side of the screen. You might want to take a picture of this and save it to your device. So we're on the Warwick Library homepage, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on GALE PowerSearch, and this is what appears, this page. So in the search bar for today, as an example, we'd like for you to type in artificial intelligence and the word healthcare. Once you do this, it's showing results for 10 magazines, 247 academic journals, 285 news articles, and 2 videos. You can also sort your responses by newest to oldest, and also relevance. Notice how it automatically applied the filters. The full text is available, and it also can be found in the opposing viewpoints database as well. So here we have, I would like to go ahead and filter for academic journals. And here we have our first article. So let's just say you are doing an assignment and you have to give the pros and cons of using AI in healthcare. This is going to be an article that might provide some information about either side of the argument. So I can click on this, and then here it tells me the authors, the date that the article was created. It shows me the source of this particular article and the publisher, which is the Public Library of Science. It even tells me how many words that the article has. But here I also want you to see that you can read the abstract. And an abstract is just going to tell you, it provides an overview of a particular journal article. And then you would read further on to find out more intricate details about that particular article. But you see that you have, we have the complete article here. You would take your time and read through this. But on the right-hand side of the page, I'd like for you to see that you can cite the article by clicking on the quotation marks that are here. You can also choose out of these 4 different citation formats. So MLA 9, APA 7th edition, and so on. You can download this article, you can print the article, you can highlight and take notes. These are all options for you. You can even change the display options. You can increase or decrease the font. You can increase or decrease the font. You can also translate the article into another language. And here you can also listen to the article. So that is one example of an article or a source that we found using GALE PowerSearch. So let's return to our results. On the right-hand side, you also can filter your results by your publication date. I know that in science, at one point, we didn't like to use articles older than 5 years, and I believe that right now we don't like to use articles older than 3 years in some cases. You can also click on the document type. We have interviews, editorials, and so on that you can actually filter for if that's what you need to do. And you can search within a particular article. And again, if you ever need any additional help with any of this, don't hesitate to contact us. And lastly, always make sure that on the right-hand side that you check in the peer-reviewed journals. This just means that the journals that you're reading have been read and vetted by other people who have the authority to do so. Okay? So as the great Albert Einstein once said, the only thing that you absolutely have to know is the location of the library. So please do not hesitate to stop by and make use of this invaluable resource. Thank you for taking the time to actively participate in this mini lecture. Until next time.